YouTube. Welcome to Green DIY. Today what I got here is I made a small, just really quick wind turbine, and I got the blades over here. I'll show you those in a second. But basically what I have here is I got a small, just a stepper motor from a, that's just from an old printer we got rid of. It's just taped on here temporarily, just to show you guys what I got going on here. This is a piece of, this is a 2" by 2" piece of wood here. I got right here, these are just alligator clips attached to 2 wires, and those 2 wires are just coming out the end here, so that I can use just a voltmeter to check and see what's going on. This is an PVC end cap, and this is just a section of PVC here, and I plan on getting a like 10 to 20 foot tower to put this on, and basically the galvanized tower will just go in here so that it can pivot on that and move back and forth into the wind. This is just a an eighth of an inch piece of plywood that I cut out, and to mount it on there I took my saw and just cut 2 slits in the piece of 2 by 2, and I just glued it in there. You could see some of the glue there, and that will that'll point the wind turbine into the wind. And yeah, so that's the main part of it, the generator and the tail. And then over here are the blades I made. These I just made real quick. What I got here is, this is 5 inches wide from here to here, and then it's 24 inches long, or 2 feet. Up here it just narrows down to 1 inch. This side's flat, and then this side you can see goes up on an angle, and then forming like a right triangle almost. And then over here I had a small kit that I use. Nothing special. All it is it had these metal brackets in them, and I can attach that onto this hub. And yeah, this right here was actually attached onto that, onto this, and that was gonna attach onto the stepper motor, but I tripped over it and this snapped off, so I gotta figure out a way to mount this hub onto the stepper motor over here onto this, so I'm trying to figure that out. But yeah, it didn't take me too long to put an angle on here. All I did was I just took some pliers and bent that metal right there. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but I just bent it here and here, and that gives it the angle. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep going on this project, because obviously right now I don't have a way to attach it because that fell off. I did the other day actually find a treadmill motor that might work for a bigger wind turbine project that will actually, my ultimate goal is to charge a bunch of batteries, but I'll make another video of it. I'll just use this to enclose the treadmill motor to keep it waterproof. Put that on here with a couple ties, and I'm gonna use PVC blades, and I'll show you guys how to do that. And then I'll put a lot bigger tail here, because obviously the blades are a lot bigger and it takes a little bit more to point it into the wind. And I'll show you guys how I constructed the tower. I haven't done that, but if I can get the motor for this, then that'll be another project. I can show you guys how I'm gonna do that. Yeah, feel free to write comments. Just give me feedback on what you guys think, or what you think I should prove. This, I'm not sure what I'm gonna keep doing. I might keep this, but I don't know. I gotta find a way to mount that onto the motor. Yeah, keep watching videos, and thanks for viewing.